Happy Valentine's Day. We did some pink hair on Rainy today. Turn. Oh my God, it's so cute. Dilly has some too, but he already left for daycare. We're having our friends' Valentine's today, so I set up a couple things on the table. So I used this giant color sheet. I used 2 of them from the dollar store as like a little tablecloth. I got some heart plates. We have a heart cake going, and of course we're doing heart-shaped pizzas from the Dough Bros.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Chicken! What do you got? Oh, and my Amazon package I forgot about from 3 hours ago. I'm sorry, what does this say?
Hi, this is our present. You're supposed to read this.
This is our presentation on why we should sleep.
How did you say?
By us.
By us, yeah.
By us. Before you say anything, listen to this presentation. Okay. I'm sorry, is there a woman there? Are you listening? You guys are so funny. First of all,
me and Lily have been waiting for a long time to have a sleepover.
My name has a publication.
Whatever. Second of all, if we don't have a sleepover, we're gonna be sad, and sad equals depression, and depression equals sickness, and sickness equals death. That's why we should have, and that's why we should have.
you guys are getting 25 points for creativity. Happy Saturday. I've already gone to Superstore for 7 a.m. when they opened. We're now chilling on the couch. We chillaxing.
I love you, Daddy.
Aww.
You're so cool. I love you, Mommy. Only put gel.
What? Oh, because I put gel in your hair?
Yeah.
Cool hair.
Yeah, but not the spray in my hair.
No, not color today. Just gel. Are we gonna go to Costco? Oh, are we crazy? Because it's Saturday and we're at Costco.
Yes.
We must be cuckoo for Costco.
Where
Where are we going?
we're going to in the play store.
In the toy store?
Yeah.
Let's go. Come on. Billy got you guys a present.
They're so cute.
Do you like those?
They're so cute.
I even got.
We've made it. It's Sunday. There's a new snowstorm outside. Like it's never gonna end. It's really never gonna end. Look. This is supposed to go till tonight. Again. Like, this is too much snow. Jesus. Tomorrow's a holiday, so that makes me happy. And we're closed. So we're gonna do pajama day with the kids. But for today, I think we might be trapped inside too. Happy snow day, girlies. We've closed the Dough Bros. There's no pizza. You know the storm is bad when we're not even selling pizza. Yeah.
Mama, take away my drama.
Drama?
There will be nobody in my life just like you. Mama, so many things I want to say at once. But everything is second because you're the one. Every time I go to school, you pack my lunch.
You packed my lunch.
I love it. What? Bow, 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 bow. So this was our original plan for family day before we got sick, was just to wake up and lounge and have some breakfast. Right, Dilly? How you feeling, buddy?
Ladies and gentlemen.